Hi everyone, my name is Dansadar Trinidad and today I want to talk about my personal code of ethics. Personal code of ethics is a set of principles that guide our decisions and actions. It's your internal compass, influenced by your values, beliefs, and experiences. It shapes how you treat yourself and others, and how you navigate your world. Having a strong code of ethics is crucial for several reasons. Direction. It helps you make choices that align with what matter to you. Consistency. It ensures your actions reflect your values, leading to more fulfilling life. Resilience. It strengthens you to resist pressure, to compromise your integrity. Honesty. Being truthful and transparent. Integrity. Doing what's your even when it's difficult. Respect. Treating everyone with dignity and consideration. Fairness. Striving for justice and impartiality. Compassion. Empathy and concern for others' well-being reflection. Here's how to develop your code. Self-reflection. Think about your values and what matters to you. Prioritization. Rank your code values and identify any conflicts. Actionable principles. Turn your values into specific guidelines for your behavior. Be flexible. Your code can evolve with your experiences and perspective. Personal code of ethics is a powerful tool for navigating life's challenges by reflecting in values and crafting guiding principles. It can live a more meaningful and authentic life. Remember, your code of ethics is a journey, not a destination. Keep refining it as you grow and learn.